If you're looking to create a support inbox that your whole team can share, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up so your team can efficiently manage customer support without getting overwhelmed by scattered emails. Whether you're a small team or a growing business, this setup will keep things organized and streamline your support process. First, let's talk about the essential tool you'll need to get started: shared inbox software. Most businesses rely on email for support, but using a personal inbox can quickly get chaotic. You need a system where all team members can access, respond to, and manage incoming requests without stepping on each other's toes. The software we'll be using today will make that super easy. Start by signing up for the software we recommend. It's designed to turn your email into a collaborative support inbox, and it's incredibly simple to set up. Once you've signed up, you'll connect your email account. This will centralize all your support emails into a shared space where your team can see, claim, and respond to tickets in real time. Once your account is set up, the next step is to create teams and assign roles. Depending on your team structure, you may want to assign roles like support lead, general support, or technical expert. This helps to ensure that tickets get directed to the right person every time. The software we'll be using makes this incredibly simple to set up, so there's no more confusion about who's handling which issue. Next, you'll want to set up email templates and automated responses. These are crucial for efficiency. Instead of typing out the same response for common issues, you can create a template, making it easy to send a response with just a few clicks. Plus, you can set up automated responses for incoming tickets, letting customers know their request has been received and when they can expect a reply. This helps manage expectations and keeps customers happy. One of the most powerful features of a shared inbox is the ability to assign and track tickets. With our software, you can tag tickets based on priority, urgency, or type of request. This way, you and your team can focus on what matters most. It's also great for reporting purposes because you can see exactly how long it's taking your team to respond, which helps with performance reviews and improving customer satisfaction. To make your support inbox even more efficient, take advantage of integrations. You can integrate with your CRM, help desk software, or other tools you already use, so everything stays in one place. This eliminates the need to switch between tabs or software, speeding up your workflow. Now, I know you're probably wondering how this compares to other systems. I've tested some of the most popular support software options out there, and the one I'm recommending today stands out in terms of usability and features. It's straightforward to use, yet powerful enough to handle complex support needs. The best part? I've partnered with this software to give you an exclusive free trial. You can get started for free and follow along with everything I just showed you. The link for the free trial is in the description below, just for viewers of this channel. Now, for the key takeaway, creating a support inbox that your whole team can share is all about centralization and organization. Use shared inbox software to ensure no email slips through the cracks. Assign roles and responsibilities to your team, and use automations and templates to speed up responses. Keep everything in one place, and you'll improve both efficiency and customer satisfaction. So remember to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description. It's a great way to get started and see how this software can work for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.